welcome to Nasike's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare Indian ice cream. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do. We'll really appreciate, comment and share. The ingredients that I'm going to use are 1.5 cup of milk, a half cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Let's get to the next step. So I'm going to add milk, and it's fresh, in my cooking pot. After adding milk in my cooking pot, I'm going to mix until it becomes half of this. And continue mixing. And continue mixing. So as you can see, the milk has reduced to half. I'm going to set it aside and let it cool for some time before I transfer it in my container. So here is where I transferred my solution on my mixture, and it has cooled. So I'm going to transfer them here. Later, I've removed the ice cream inside the fridge. So guys, here is the Indian ice cream. You should try it out and let me know how it turned out. Remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.